This is welcoming you back to our channel. This is where you get all-inclusive information on migration abroad, infotainment, classic shows, LD lifestyle, and so on. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so right now. Like and share our videos, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on that all-important notification. And to all our amazing returning subscribers, how else can we thank you? Absolutely no way. We just sincerely appreciate you being there always, and we can't thank you enough. So what are we discussing today? Let's get down to business. See you there.
In today's video, we'll be telling you about how to secure Australia permanent residency with Skilled Independent Visa in 2025. The Skilled Independent Visa Subclass 189 is a pathway to permanent residency in Australia for skilled workers. This visa offers flexibility and independence as it doesn't require sponsorship from an employer or state government. Dreaming of a thriving career and a better quality of life? Australia could be your next destination. The Skilled Independent Visa Subclass 189 offers skilled workers the opportunity to secure permanent residency, opening the door to a future filled with professional growth and personal freedom in this dynamic country. This guide will walk you through everything you need to know about the Skilled Independent Visa in 2025, from eligibility criteria to benefits and the latest updates. What is the Skilled Independent Visa? The Skilled Independent Visa Subclass 189 is a permanent residency visa designed for skilled workers whose occupations are on Australia's Medium and Long-Term Strategic Skills List (MLTSSL). This visa offers unparalleled flexibility, allowing you to live, work, and study anywhere in Australia, include eligible family members in your application, and eventually apply for Australian citizenship after meeting residency and other criteria. This visa grants complete independence with no need for employer or state sponsorship. It gives you the freedom to choose where and how you work in Australia. What are the updates for the 2024 to 2025 migration program? Recent changes to Australia's Skilled Independent Visa program reflect a more targeted approach to addressing skills shortages. They include reduced allocation. The Australian government has allocated 16,900 places for the Skilled Independent Visa in 2024 to 2025, down from 30,375 places last year. Also, high-demand occupations. In the November 2024 invitation round, 15,000 invitations were issued, with points thresholds varying by occupation. These updates underscore Australia's focus on attracting highly skilled migrants who can contribute to its economy and critical sectors.
What are the benefits of the Skilled Independent Visa? Choosing the Skilled Independent Visa comes with numerous advantages. This includes number 1, permanent residency, that is to live and work in Australia indefinitely. Number 2, family inclusion, include your spouse, partner, and dependent children. Number 3, freedom of employment, work in any sector without restrictions. Number 4, access to benefits, enjoy Medicare, education, and Social Security. Number 5, pathway to citizenship, apply for citizenship after meeting requirements. No sponsorship required, avoid employer or state nomination complexities. What are the eligibility criteria for the Skilled Independent Visa? To qualify for the Skilled Independent Visa, you must meet the following requirements. First, occupation on MLTSSL. Your nominated job must be on the Medium and Long-Term Strategic Skills List. Secondly, skills assessment. Obtain a positive skills assessment from the relevant authority. Number 3, points test. Score at least 65 points based on age, qualifications, experience, and English proficiency. Number 4, English proficiency. Prove your English skills through IELTS, PT, TOEFL, or OET. 5th, age limit. Be under 45 years old at the time of application. 6th, expression of interest EOI. Submit an EOI through Skill Select and wait for an invitation. Lastly, health and character. Meet Australia's health and character requirements. What are the high-demand occupations in 2025? Australia's labour market continues to experience skill shortages in key sectors. Here's a snapshot of the most in-demand occupations in 2025. Healthcare jobs including registered nurses, medical practitioners, aged care workers, and so on. Engineering jobs including civil engineers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and so on. IT and technology jobs including software engineers, data scientists, cybersecurity specialists, and so on. Construction jobs including project managers, carpenters, and electricians. Education jobs such as secondary school teachers and special needs educators, as well as trade and skilled work such as plumbers, welders, and chefs. How to apply for the Skilled Independent Visa. Here's a step-by-step overview of the application process. 1. Check your occupation. Confirm that your nominated job appears on Australia's Medium and Long-Term Strategic Skills List MLTSSL, as only eligible occupations qualify for this visa. 2. Skills assessment. Obtain a positive skills assessment from the relevant assessing authority for your occupation. This step verifies your qualifications and work experience. 3. Submit an EOI. Register your expression of interest EOI through the Skill Select portal, detailing your skills, work history, and other qualifications to attract an invitation. 4. Receive invitation. Once your EOI is reviewed, you may receive an invitation to apply. Invitations depend on factors like point score and occupation demand. 5. Complete application. Submit your visa application online, ensuring you provide accurate information and upload all required documents, including identity, employment, and education proof. 6. Health and character checks. Complete mandatory medical exams and provide police clearance certificates to meet Australia's health and character requirements for permanent residency. 7. Wait for a decision. The Department of Home Affairs will process your application, assessing eligibility, supporting documents, and compliance with visa requirements before issuing a decision. Australia's Skilled Independent Visa offers an exciting opportunity for skilled professionals to build a new life in a vibrant, diverse country. With its permanent residency benefits and no sponsorship requirements, it's an ideal pathway for those seeking flexibility and freedom. If you're ready to take the next step, start by exploring Australia's in-demand occupations and preparing your expression of interest. And that brings us to the end of today's video regarding how to secure Australia permanent residency with Skilled Independent Visa in 2025. Don't delay, make your move to Australia now. If you found this information valuable and you're eager for more most updated information and immigration tips to successfully migrate, then kindly like and share our videos and subscribe to this channel. Then don't forget to hit the notification button to have all our future videos. If you need help, however, with specifics or individualized services in particular, please feel free to contact us by electronic mail and let's create this success story together.